How to fix a blurry screen or blurry screen fonts in Windows 11. So there's actually a couple of ways to fix this. The first solution is to open up your start menu, go in search for settings, and then we just need to click on this settings window. In the left hand side, select system, then click on display. Now scroll down to scale and layout and make sure the scale is set to the recommended number. You can see mine's 150% and it says recommended next to it. You also need to do the same for the display resolution, make sure it's set to the recommended amount. Now from here, go and select personalization on the left hand side, scroll down to fonts and click on this. Now scroll down and click on the drop down arrow next to related settings and then select adjust ClearType text. Make sure turn on ClearType is turned on and enabled, and then you can just follow the prompts on the screen to try and fix any text issues. So you can just press next and go through all of these different steps. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to open your start menu, search for adjust the appearance and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now click on visual effects at the top of the screen and we're going to change this to adjust for the best appearance. Now once you've done this, just go and press apply and OK at the bottom of the screen. You can then restart your computer and that should have fixed any issues with a blurry screen. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.